Read it? Okay.
We're live.
All right. So we're in our RGA area, so it's return goods. Usually I don't think people show off the return goods area, but it's inevitable. When something is mechanical, sometimes it's going to break. There's going to be a lot of reasons. And one of the reasons that I always make this a stop when I'm bringing people through is that we take everything that comes back here apart, do an analysis on it, try to figure out what happened, right? Yeah. First of all, like we're not like the Walmart of air compressors. We're not making these things by the barrel, right? These are, you saw next door, right? How we make everything by hand and it's all put together and everything.
Every nut, every bolt,
everything.
Painted in-house.
And looking
yes.
and they're,
testing, the whole
nine.
nine.
The testing, the whole deal, right. So when something goes wrong in the field, certainly if it's on us, we want to find that out, and that, we take care of that with a warranty and all that kind of stuff, and we take care of everybody. But the issue is, 9 times out of 10, when something goes wrong in the field, it's something around the air compressor that's causing the problem.
Oh, really?
So, absolutely. A small leak causes short cycling, right? That's like the number one thing, right? Somebody not emptying the tank drain causes water to go back up into the unit and causes it to back up or run more because you don't have that reservoir anymore, right?
Right.
So all of those things are, reasons for failure that are not the air compressor's fault, but if that reason, like we don't figure that out and we don't help you figure that out in the field, we could send you a skid full of air compressors and the same thing is going to happen again and again, right? If it's an electrical problem, if it's a short cycling problem or whatever, that there's some small leak, say, around the valve or something like that, I'll send you another compressor. It's doing the same thing. Oh, it's doing the same thing. So, it's like, so that's why I like to come here and show everybody that, like, look, when that stuff comes back, I know it's never fun, to be disrupted like that and you're working everything, but we take everything here, we take it apart, we try to figure out what's wrong, we do a write-up and we try to communicate that with everybody, like, hey, by the way, this is what went wrong. And we make enough air compressors that if it's our fault, we'll take care of you, you know what I mean? Like, we're not trying to get over on anybody, but what I'm saying is that with this type of stuff, I just think it's a really important aspect of what we do from a customer service standpoint.
We appreciate you showing us because this is something that, like you said, people usually wouldn't take you in this room of the returns or whatever.
Another cool thing about that, as a tech, we want to know why because we're going to try to fix it.
Yep.
We're going to try this and this and this, and if we can't get it to fix, we want to know why. And most companies, they can't, you get it back and that's it.
Yeah.
It's coming back here. They're dissecting it. It's actually taking something apart right now as we speak.
Take a note. Please call me when you figure out what happened.
Yeah. You're right, because actually with the sales channel, it is a little difficult. So maybe I'll just say that too, is that, if you do ever send something back, try to stay in touch with it. Call you, because usually it'll go back through the distributor you bought it from, because they're technically our customer. Yeah. So then that's where the return process kind of goes through. So as that goes through, put your name on it or put something. Right. Edder's going to see it and be like, okay, I'll make sure that not only because we have to report back to the distributor who's technically our customer, but if we have your contact information, we'll be more than happy to just send you the report on it as well. Why not, right?
That is great. That is
so,
great.
But anyway, we try to relay that information. It's really important for the industry, right?
If it breaks, they're taking it back here. Or I should say, when you break it and send it back. They're dissecting it and figuring it out. Because I'm from the field. I know exactly what happened. I couldn't figure it out. I fucked it up, and I'm sending it back. This thing's broken.
Yeah, right? Yeah.
Set screws all the way pinned out.